Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get void check online CIBC. So I am on the official website of CIBC and here you can see what is a void check. A void check is a check with the word void written across it, which prevents anyone from filling out with check and using it to make payment. What are void check used for? And we are going to how do I void a check? Simply take one of your check and write void across it in large letters using a pen or permanent maker. Okay, so this is a process. And how do I do it if I need a void check but don't have a checkbook? For most void check information requests, you can use a form providing by CIBC that collect account information in place of a void check. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.